Welcome! If you've ever wanted to spice up your group chats on Messenger with the perfect emoji reaction, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple, updated steps to change your reaction to any message in a Messenger group. Whether you want to swap out a thumbs up for a laughing face or just want to try something new, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open up your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in and everything's up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to change your reaction. Scroll through the conversation and find the message you want to react to, or maybe update your reaction on. Next, press and hold on the message. Don't just tap it. Give it a good press and hold for a second or two. This will bring up a little pop-up with a selection of emojis. You'll see the usual suspects: thumbs up, heart, laugh, wow, sad, and angry. If you see the emoji you want right there, just tap it. Your reaction will instantly update for everyone in the group to see. But what if you want to use a different emoji, something a little more unique? No problem. In the pop-up, look for the plus icon usually at the end of the row of emojis. Tap that plus icon, and you'll get access to the full emoji library. Browse through and pick the one that best fits your mood or the message. Once you've found your perfect emoji, tap it, and your new reaction will appear on the message. And that's it. Changing your reaction to messages in a Messenger group is that simple. It's a fun way to express yourself and keep your group chats lively and engaging. Give it a try next time you're chatting with friends or family. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.